Hi, my name is Kevin McNally. I'm the Exhibitions Manager for Renishaw Inc. based in Chicago. Renishaw are a manufacturer of a 3D printer. It is a metal 3D printer, and we concentrate on 5 basic materials. The printing of aluminium, cobalt chrome, stainless steel, Inconel and titanium. They're used in a wide range of applications from medical, aerospace, automotive. With our 3D printer, we also have the opportunity to buy the printer with Renishaw's own software, or you can buy the industry standard software, which we would also sell to you. If you buy Renishaw software, it allows you an easy in to additive manufacturing, which is what people are desiring. For any further information on Renishaw 3D printer, please go to www.renishaw.com/additive.